Hello, this is Mark Wildman of Wildman Athletica, and today we are going to talk about the heavy club exercise, the outside pendulum to outside pullover. Absolutely everybody should be practicing inside and outside pendulums because they are rotational cleans and every sport involves rotation. Absolutely everybody, no matter what their age, no matter what their sport, should train inside and outside pendulums. No matter what sport you play, if you train with barbells, dumbbells, kettlebells, you practice cleans or getting the weight up to midpoint. A pendulum in heavy club swinging is essentially a clean. The thing that clubs and maces and leverage tools do better than anything else is rotate 90 degrees from the base support of the feet. Every sport, when you change directions, involves this type of rotation. Heavy clubs are the absolute best way to train that with load. An outside pendulum starts with 2 feet pointed straight ahead. We do not turn out our feet in this position. We keep our feet straight ahead because we are going to rotate absolutely everything else. If our feet are straight ahead, then we predictably rotate our ankles, our knees, our hips, and our spine. Think your hips are going to rotate 45 degrees. One knee is going to drive forward, one knee is going to be slightly further back. But think of the bottom of this as a deadlift position. One leg will not end up straight. Rotate to the outside, push, swing, load, pull, catch. That is the outside pendulum. We are going to combine that with an outside pullover. Think externally rotating the shoulder, chest is pointed slightly towards the weight, 45 degrees with the hip, club goes behind the head, thumb touches the shirt, pull over, elbow touches hip, push, tip, swing, pull, catch. Elbow stops on hip, outside pullover, behind the head, thumb touches shirt, drive the rib cage down, pull over, elbow touches hip, push, swing, pull, catch. Behind the head, pause. Push, swing, pull, catch, behind the head, pull over, pause. Heavy club swinging allows you to train this starting with a lightweight and build up to heavy weights over time. Usually men will start somewhere around the 15-pound mark with a heavy club, and they will build towards a 50-pound club. Ladies tend to start at about a 10-pound club and build towards a 25 or maybe a 30-pound club. Because it requires more rotation, some people may start lower than that in weight. Let's demonstrate it on the other side. Feet are pointed straight ahead. Feet are directly underneath our shoulders. Hips move 45 degrees. Now the upper body moves 45 degrees from the hips. Push, swing, pull, catch is always the cue for this exercise. Push until your arm locks out, tip, swing, pull your elbow to your hip, and catch. Demonstrate control of the club in this position. The outside pullover tends to be the hard part for most people. People will want to lift their rib cage up. Think drive rib cage down, abs are on. The heavier the club, the more important that is. Right here, drive the rib cage down. This is a core exercise. You should feel load in the opposite leg, glute and hip. Drive the elbow forward, elbow stop. Once again, demonstrate control. The arm should be at 90-degree angle. Push, shift your weight, pull, catch. Behind the head, pull over. Push, swing, pull, catch. Behind the head, pull over. Push, swing, pull, catch. Behind the head, pull over. Elbow always starts and stops on the body. When we set the weight down, rotate back to center. Your feet should not have moved. They should still be pointed straight ahead. Straighten the arm all the way out. Set the weight all the way down. For the most part, people in the modern world lack an ability to rotate well. All sports and all basic human activities require some type of rotation. When people train in the modern world, if they go to the gym, they tend to train in straight lines. Bench press is a straight line, back squat is a straight line, deadlift is a straight line. In the real world, things tend not to be symmetrically loaded objects like a barbell or a dumbbell, and they tend not to move straight up and straight down. If you've ever baled hay or built a roof or built a house, then you will realize you do a lot of single-sided activity and almost all of it involves rotation. So you should train rotation. That does not just mean your spine, that means every joint in your body, wrist, elbow, shoulder, every joint in your spine, hips, knees, ankles, your neck, everything should rotate better over time. When you lose an ability to rotate, people tend to get hurt and they tend to start the process of aging or losing an ability to move well. An exercise like this helps people maintain and improve over time the strength and mobility of the rotation all of their primary joints. The better you rotate effectively over time, the less pain people tend to be in and the more youthful characteristics they tend to have. Rotation is every sport and it's every human movement. You should be very, very good at it, and you should work on it with heavy clubs because they are the absolute best way for people to learn to rotate and for people to effectively rotate over time.